Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious Emakoume, also known as Amokple or Amokple. Okay, so hello. Today I'm going to be making Emakoume, and well, first what you're going to need actually is corn maize flour, and I just mixed this in water, as you see here. And then you're also going to need the maize flour itself. Okay, this is, I don't know how many cup this is. I kind of go by eye. And also for Emakoume, this is also the cassava dough. I just mixed that with water too. And in here, I just have about maybe a cup and a half of water here. And I'm gonna let it come to a boil, and then I'm going to add this, which is the maize flour mixed with water. Okay, so let's wait until this gets to a boil. Okay, so as it's getting hot like this, I'm just gonna add in the maize flour mixed with the water. Okay. Alright, and then you're just gonna mix it in. And don't mind my spoon. I know it's kind of pity. But okay, we're gonna go ahead and let this boil. Okay, and when it starts boiling like this, I'm actually gonna get a bigger spatula, and I'm just going to stir it in, and then I'm just going to mix. Okay. Now this is all depending on how soft and how thick you want it, you know. So I'm just gonna mix. And this right here would actually just be considered a Emakoume, because Emakoume is actually just corn maize alone. Okay. And look at that, you see the texture is already changing, which is really cool. And so now, this is where I go ahead and add the cassava dough. And no, I didn't add all of it. As you can see, some is still left over. And we are just going to mix this in together. Okay, because I do like mine to be a bit on the softer side. Okay, and so now I'm going to add water, because now this is the process where we actually make it softer. So I'm going to let it boil like this, and then I will mix it. Okay. And to make it softer and softer, you continue to add water. Okay. See, it's starting to change. Okay, so I'm gonna add more water again. As you see now, it's kind of getting softer, you see? Which is kind of close to the way I like it again. And I'm just stirring it. So yeah, I'm gonna add water one more time. I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to plate it, okay? Thank you. Okay. And it's really, really pretty now. And so the best way to make sure that this is properly cooked is by having a wet finger. You poke it, you press it, and it's not on your hand, you're good. So now to plate. Okay, so the best way to actually plate this, you see, is that I have a plate here, and it's a little wet. Oops, sorry. And I also have a bowl here, and this is also a little wet too. Okay, so what you're gonna do, use your wet spatula or whatnot, okay? And then you're just gonna place it into the bowl. I know this seems a little crazy, but I've saw family members do this, and friends, and well, you know what I mean. So now I'm just going to make sure that it looks okay. I'm just going to pat it flat. And now, whew, moment of truth. You have your plate here, and then you have your Emakoume, and you flip it over like this, okay? And this is typically how you serve people at events and like parties and whatnot. And then you have your okra soup or ademe like in a different bowl or whatnot. But yeah, I will show you the end result, okay? So, okay, after you remove the bowl, this is what it should look like. This is your delicious Amokple, Emakoume, Emakoume. You know, my airway is kind of horrible, but please bear with me, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.